Welcome to the channel, folks. Model Car Guy Rich here. In keeping with the theme of the Dukes of Hazzard of the last video, I decided, well, what the heck, I got this one, might as well do this one too. This here's the Dukes of Hazzard Sheriff Roscoe's police car. This actual kit here came out in 2013 from the Round 2 Corporation, MPC kit. The actual, original, I should say, version of this came out in 81. And this actual kit here is not listed on ScaleMates, which I thought was kind of interesting. But we're going to go ahead and get into it. Here is the obvious box art. Now, according to ScaleMates, this was a 76 Dodge. And here, some side shots, a couple action shots from the TV show. There's General Lee. Now, I don't have that kit, so don't expect that one anytime soon on the channel. This kit here is MPC 707L. Now, MPC came out with a police car like this called the Force 440, I think it was, back in the day, back in the late 70s, early 80s. And that kit's very similar to this. I don't know if they just kind of rehashed that with a few different pictures. And here's the back. Alrighty, thanks for joining me today. I hope everyone's having a great day. A little rainy where I am today, but that's okay. Nice time to stay inside and play with some model cars. Let's get right into this one. I bought this one also off of eBay many years ago. Well, not more than, let me see if I can do the math right, not more than 11 years ago, I guess. It came out in 2013. So here is the instructions, right? Oh, we have two sets of instructions. What? We have three sets of instructions, guys. What the heck? Oh, no kidding. They're all in different languages. That's funny. All right, well, let's do the one that I can understand. Here's Sheriff Roscoe's, read it, blah, blah, blah. Some painting guides. Put your engine together. I don't know what size engine is in there. It could just be a 318, maybe a 360. There's an interesting little tidbit. There's some spray foam, kind of like your stuff they sell at the orange box store, the great stuff. That's what that is. That's funny. This is the first time I'm opening this one. I may have opened it when I first got it, but here it is. Gives you a nice little rack here. Loaded up, some radio equipment, slap that all together. Yep, these MPC kits were pretty basic, but that's okay. I didn't mind them. They had some pretty cool cars back in the day. A lot of the stock looking vehicles and not your altered street machines and that kind of thing. Right, put your police bar on, their blue and red lights, and slap some decals on it. That's it, guys. Not much for the instructions. We'll go ahead and set that there. We'll put Spanish and looks like French versions over here. Let's start right off with the body. Now that, oh, the glass is in there, okay. Now that body is a four-door. Gosh, it looks so similar to the Daisy Duke Roadrunner that I had here just the other day. Real nice thickness, good quality, beautiful looking body. This one comes with the front end, so we won't be looking for that anywhere. Okay. And then here was the glass. Back windows molded right into the rear window. And here the front windshield all scratched up because it wasn't wrapped in plastic. Thankfully they do that now. And this looks like someone started the paint job on it. Got a nice color gray on it. Kind of sharp looking. Alright, we have molded in parking brake and brake pedal and gas pedal. Molded rear seat. Nothing on the back package tray. Okay. Oh, I guess I won't need the scissors for this kit. There's no poly bags in there. Here you have air cleaner, fan belt and pulley system, windshield washer reservoir, the side mirrors, little coolant line, and the intake manifold, which is really basic. I don't even think it's got enough ports on it. That's okay. Firewall, 3 out of hopefully 4 steel wheels. Wow, those are deep, you know. Here's the molded in axle with the leaf springs, the half piece. I don't know if there's going to be another piece to it. I'll come back to the chrome, guys. Here's that big old police radio set up, the first aid kit it says on there. I don't know if you can read that on the camera. A couple of the pew-pews. This looks like the police bumper, the front push bar bumper. And a little CB radio or police radio right here. All kinds of the additional stuff. Here's the hood. Kind of thin on the hood compared to the body. Some detail. Not too bad. And here we have the front seat. It's a split bench. Back of the front seat. Here's the dashboard. Again, I don't know if it's better with or without the hand. So I give you both versions. Some flashing. Wheel backs. Here's the chassis. Decent, real decent thickness on that. Molded in drive shaft and exhaust and muffler and gas tank, torsion bars, K-frame, all molded in. You could paint them up though, make them nice little detail. There's a, looks like what could be a catalytic converter. Alright, that's different. And go ahead and get into the chrome because it's right here. We have the rear bumper. I think it goes that way. Front bumper. One of these. A chrome. A chrome shotgun. That's what we all need, right? That's funny. There's some lights. These are your headlights. These are your grill inserts. I don't know what this little box is supposed to be. Could be, oh, you know what? That goes on the top of here. It becomes, can you see the box? Yeah. That's this little piece right here on the very top. So it goes in between the red and blue lights. Here's a big old antenna. 7-bladed fan. Some steel dog dish hubcaps. Carburetor. Alternator. Very similar to the other kit. Oh, and there's a chrome 357. There you go. Nice. That'll add to your collection. Alright, then we have some tires. Let's get these tires out of here. Alright. These are a little bit on the stiff side. Very nice tread on them. And they are a little bit out of oval around there. Goodyear's 950-1200-15s. Okay. Very nice. Scuff them up a little bit, give them that realistic look. And we have, what is this? Oh, round 2 models. Oh, that's interesting. Join their mailing list. Now they're still in business. I wonder if we contact them and get back on their mailing list. That'd be cool. I'm going to set that aside. That's pretty neat. And here we have an orange block started. We have a steering wheel. Let me put that down. Steering wheel is very nice. I've always liked that steering wheel, that style. We have the battery. The other wheel that was missing, thankfully. The red, half the red bubble light for the top. And here's the blue. Here are the tail lights. And then I think this is the bottom portion of the bubblegum light. 2 of those. So you could do 2 reds or 1 red and blue, it looks like. And here's the other head and valve cover. And 1 piece of the exhaust. Little piece of plastic and another little piece of plastic. Alright, let me go ahead and cut into the decals. Only thing that wasn't open. That's interesting. Ta-da! We have Hazzard County, a couple different plates for the Peach State. That was Georgia. Your rebel flag plates, decals. That's it. Hazzard County Sheriff, and the badges for the doors. Pretty basic on that. I'm sure there's decals available you could buy to update it. Make a nice police car for any state, really. I don't know who does decals, so if you guys know, put it down in the comments. I'd be curious to pick up some decals, especially for a couple of kits I just did where the decals were destroyed. Well, that's all, folks. I appreciate you stopping by. I hope you have yourselves a great day. And as always, please like and share and comment and subscribe and get all your friends out there to subscribe and help this channel grow. I appreciate all the help. And thank you so much to all the current subscribers. I appreciate your comments and communicating with you. And have yourselves a great day, everyone. We'll see you on the next one. Keep on modeling.